Good morning, friends. Welcome to Horse Ride. Today we are going to upload this coffee cup for sale. Before exporting the object, so let me do one settings. So we have to apply the rotate scale location before exporting. You can able to see this pivot point which is in middle of the cup. So the pivot points, how it works is that pivot point is the main thing in object for rotating and scaling. So I just guide you some small steps. Press R to rotate. You can able to see cup is rotating in middle of the pivot point. So pivot point where is that cup will rotate as per that and scale as per that. So now it's in middle. So while we scale, it will scale as per the requirement in from middle of the pivot point. So now I press escape. So now go to edit mode. In front view I select all the object pressing A, then I press GZ to move the object towards upward. Here you can able to see the pivot points as came down. Now I press tab to go to edit object mode. Now you can able to see the pivot point is we have matched under the cup. So now I press rotate. You can able to see cup is rotating how the way. So this is the pivot points works always. So this is the pivot point is required for rotation and opening the door. We require the pivot point in left side corner. So the door opens as using the animation we can able to open as a normal door opening and close. So this is the required of pivot point. So we are going to reset all the location. What we are going to do is press Control A. This is the apply location, rotation, scale and all transform. So we are going to give all transform, and once we have transferred you can able to see the pivot point is came to the bottoms because the pivot point which is location is 0000, so which is the grid of the middle of the world points. So now let me move the cup once again down because we require the pivot point under the cup exactly nearby the bottom GZ. So we have moved back to the same. So now we can able to see we have again we can apply all the transforms and we can save the object. Okay, now it's ready to export. You can go to file and export. You can export FBX. So this is the one of the format we are going to export, and STL. Then we are going to export object file. So three type of files we are going to upload for sale. So now I go to the FBX first, and I just start making the output. So here several types of option is there to export. So we don't have empty now, camera, lamp, armature is the bone, mesh and others. So we are having only the mesh. Now we are going to select only the mesh, and here is the one more option which one is available is selected and active collection. Active collection means here you can able to see the collection of list. So now I create one more new collection. Here you can able to see now one more collection is here. So inside this collection, if example I just take only this collection, inside this collection whatever object is that it will export. So that is the active collection. So which one you have take, it will export as per the selected collections. So I'm not going to take that one. I'm going to take selected object. In case selected object and active collection is not selected, so what are the object you have designed in a one single file like table and coffee cup, so it will export both in a single file. So okay, my suggestion is let it be separate object, so there's a file of size also will be reduced, and you can able to the our clients can see easily what are the object is that. So that is the one thing we have to select active. So here you can able to see I have explained you X is the minus x is the front object, y is the right left object. So I'm going to select here minus x is the front and forward, and z is the up axis. So this is the settings main thing we have to do always. And in geometry, so there is no need to apply anything. In armature you can leave as it is. Add a leaf bone is not required. Okay, now you can save this settings always pressing this plus button. So I'm going to give it name save, and I just press OK. So now whenever you require, you can press this thing, it will automatically load these settings. Now I export the cup, so I just change the name to coffee cup. I click export FBX after selecting the location of the file. Yeah, once it's exported, you can able to scroll like this. Sometimes depends upon the system requirement, so sometimes it will look like hang, but don't worry, it is exporting the files. Then we are going to export one more object, which is obj. So here we can select selected only. Here you can make it as again z is up and minus x is forward. Okay, let it be the same. Here also let it be the same, and you can save this as save object. So I just change it to coffee cup and I export the object. Again let me export one more model, which is STL. Here again go and change it to minus x is forward, z is up. Okay, selection only, and change the name to coffee cup. And export it. So now I go to the location of the files and we see so I think I have selected the location wrongly, so I just move to that my main file. Okay, so here we are having the different kind of objects. So I just do it once again, FBX the same location. Yeah, it's done already, so not need to worry about it. So all the object is now it's ready, so let me upload it in for save. So I just created my sign in CG Trade. I have created my options for selling in 3D CG Trade. So I just log in my accounts. Yeah, after logging in, you can able to the pages, it comes like this. So I go for publisher to upload the new models. Yeah, after opening here, you can able to see the browser to upload all the files. Here you can able to read what are the kind of object we can add it, and we have to add some certain images, like 5-6 images we require to add. So temporarily show the example by adding the two preview files, and you can able to add zip files and rar files. So like that, you can single file you can upload up to 5.5 GB. You can upload the same. So I do one thing, I just upload the file. Now I go to my files. So here I upload all the object, pressing open, so it will be started uploading the files. So then I just go to my images what I have created, Mark 2 and Mark 2 for timing. I just add this 2. Yeah, it's uploaded. After uploading, you can able to see the boxes, right? So after uploading, you can give add a YouTube preview or a Vimeo preview that embeds what is required for you. You can able to it. I just give this is a coffee cup. This model can be used in any requirements as VFX and gaming. So after writing the view, we can more give the more description. Here we can able to add the tags. It's a category. So I just tell it this is as a kitchen. So we make it one more thing. Modern equipment kitchen. So like that you can add many what are the categories is required. So in this we have created only the material and the model. So we have not animated, rigged and low poly game ready. So we have given the high poly resolution. So PBR UV mapping and texturing we have not still yet that. So this is the basic cup. So we have not added the texturing and UV wrapping, unwrapping. So many things is future is available. So many lots of like how to say, if you are doing one keyboard example, in the keyboard design you will be having letters everything, so that are texturing. So I will show you one by one steps how to do that everything in next videos. This is the basic steps for uploading the thing. So here, so you can able to see the polygon and vertex, so that you can able to see using this object. After clicking here, you can able to see the vertex here 35,584. 35,584. So you have compulsory you have to give the polygons and vertex. So here you can able to see 35 faces 584. So we are going to give its polygon is 1 because we have given only one polygon we have used in this. It's a polygon mesh we have selected for this because we have created using the polygon mesh only. And the category we are going to select is the household product, and subcategory is the kitchenware. And I'm going to set this as $2 price because we are going for the we have newly started the business, so we have to give it with low price to know better quality for clients. And if we give the object for free, it's very easy for marketing our object. So not need to because why it's free means we have to give it, so then only they know us how we have worked in that and how much our product is having the quality. So I just make it for $2 temporarily. So because whenever you have creating the new thing, you have to give it in less price, so they will buy and they will see your quality. If you are giving in free, it's a one good marketing for you to provide the object in free, and they can know your work is quality. How is that? So I'm going to do is share for free. So I'm going to publish this one. So not all the details it has what. Okay, here at least minimum tag is 5 is required, so I just give the 5 tag temporarily. So you have to see